So we've gone through inspiration, we've gone through ideation, so now we're going to focus on improvisation. Basically testing out 2 or 3 of the ideas that you really gravitate towards or that call you in some respects. So here's the test. When you're explaining this business idea to others, imagine, can you explain it to your grandmother in a way that your grandmother can understand it? If you can explain it to your grandmother in a way that she can understand it, or your grandfather, then you know you've been able to simplify it in a way that can resonate with people. The main reason why you're going to ask people about your business idea and to critique your business idea is you want to get the perceptions of others. And do they value this idea or not? Do they think it's, worthwhile? Do they think it's crap? Are they not so sure? You want the truth from them. So here are the 3 requirements that are essential for a good idea. First, is there a product or service? So fundamentally, every business revolves around a product and or a service. So does your business idea have a product or service? Second, are people willing to pay for it? Are they willing to pay for it? Third, is there an easy way to get paid? Okay, so those are in essence the 3 requirements. So what's the activity around improvisation or testing out your idea? I put this in the form of a checklist because it's easier for you. So here's the checklist. Identify who you will ask about your idea. Please do not stack the deck. What do I mean by that? Don't ask people that are necessarily going to say, oh, I love it because I like you, or I love the idea because they respect you. Make sure that you ask people who are going to be truthful and objective. 2, write a list of questions. So what works about the idea? What frustrates them about the idea? And ask them this. What should I keep? What should I change? What should be removed? And how much would you be willing to pay? Those are central questions. So if you interview 3 to 5 people and you ask them those questions, you'll get some sense about whether you're onto something or not. Warning, so as you're doing this, please keep your ego in check. Because if you create the space for people to be honest, they will be honest, and it may hurt a little bit, it may sting a little bit, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. Because what you want before you start investing a lot of money, time, and energy is you want the truth. So if you're coming up with something that people will view as crap and they're not willing to pay for, it's better to know now before you go hire people and build out an expensive prototype and get an office. So know now.